Change brings opportunity. Nido Cuban. Sometimes good things fall apart so better things could fall together. Marilyn Monroe. Incredible change, happiness in your life when you decide to take control of what you have power over instead of craving control over what you don't. Steve Marabali. Recognizing that you are not where you want to be is a starting point to begin changing your life. Deborah Day. People who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the honest hoodoo. Rob Sultanen. I am no longer accepting the things I cannot change. I am changing the things I cannot accept. Angela Davis. What you do makes a difference, and you have to decide what kind of difference you want to make. John Godwell. Change is made of choices, and choices are made of character. Amanda Gorman. Tradition is nothing but ancestral peer pressure. Andrea More. Change is the law of life, and those who look only to the past or present are certain to miss the future. John F. Kennedy. Friends, video the like and channel to subscribe. Thanks.